Smells like shit up here.
Fuck that though.
That's the one that you changed the motor on, huh? Yeah, so I checked the electric already. We just gotta replace the belts, filters, and wash the coils. On all of them. So this one, that one, that one.
Yeah, because the ones that look like this, the ones that are the most dirtiest.
Probably, So story behind this place, guys, we just took over this account. I just did the maintenance on the ice machines, prep tables, things like that. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do the ACs. And it sucks because there's no water outlet out here. Got my boy Miguel. So I wanted to make this video, guys, just to give you guys an update of how I'm doing, how the company's doing. So what I was just told is that they're planning to let go, not let go, but put the half of the service techs on, not on employment, but on furlough. I think that's the name of it. So half of the guys are gonna be on furlough and the other half are gonna be working. I chose to be off, guys, because if half of the guys are gonna be off, then that means the other half are gonna end up doing more residential. And me personally, I don't want to do residential because I feel it's more dangerous to go into people's houses. That's just me. So like I said, guys, I mean, it was my choice. I just don't want to be going to people's houses, and I don't know. Maybe I'm just a little bit paranoid, but like I said, I have a 8-month-year-old baby, so I just don't want to risk. I just don't want to risk it. We'll probably be off for a couple weeks. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm pretty sure it'll probably be close to a month. Me personally, my biggest thing is staying home for a month. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, guys, to be honest with you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to last being home for a month. Usually on a weekend, by Monday, I'm trying to go to work already because I just get bored at the house. I'm just so used to always moving, doing something. So for me to be at the house and not be able to do anything for a month, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So let me know how you guys are dealing with this. If I'm the only one that I can't be home for more than a month, I'll probably go crazy. So for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put this filters in, belts in. My boy Miguel is gonna start washing the coils, and that's basically all we're doing today. Pretty simple day, nothing too hard. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these things are caked. Well, no, not this one's as bad. The other ones are. They were changed. The one's 27-20. So basically 4 months ago, three months ago. And there's a little trick that I learned a long time ago. Use the own belt to take the old belt out. let me show you guys one more time how to take out belts. And it's probably the best way to do it. Put it between there, and then just pull it. It comes out right. Good. What's your opinion about all this, bro?
Well, it sucks that some of us get put on furlough and some of us have to work. But either way, we're fucked because furlough, you only get like what, 75% of your check or something?
Probably like 75, yeah.
So let's just say 1,000. Say you make 1,000 a week. That's before taxes. You're gonna be bringing home 750. Even then, after taxes, you're probably only gonna get like 600, 550.
600, yeah.
And that's what sucks.
So it's not even enough to pay your rent.
It's really not enough, bro. It sucks because all these people out here, you know, for people who lost their jobs and stuff, like for no reason.
Yeah.
Like that sucks, bro. Like it's a worldwide pandemic that happened for no reason. Like, who knows?
That's
even
crazy.
why all this even started or even happened.
Yeah.
No one will ever know the truth.
So Miguel is going to be one of the guys that are still going to be working.
That's me.
That's him. It's going to be him, some other guy, and my manager Rolando. So basically 1 at the office and 2 at the job sites. So basically Miguel's going to be doing more of the residential, and the other is going to be doing more of the commercial.
Anybody's out there.
Yeah. And see, that's the reason why, guys, I didn't want to work anymore, because I didn't want to do no residential whatsoever. So it's what it is. So now we're just washing coils. Technically today's gonna be my last day, but I'm on call this weekend, so I'm only gonna work till Sunday, and whatever I work on Sunday and Saturday, I'm gonna go ahead and put in for Friday, so it doesn't mess up with my paperwork.
Just got off on call.
Oh yeah. I mean, the company's been doing good, bro, on keeping us busy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, our department.
Our department, yeah.
Everyone else is gonna be not working.
Yeah.
Only us and Ron.
So basically 98% of the company,
Yeah.
out of like 100 employees, guys, office, staff, sheet metal, hood cleaning, install, commercial install, residential install, everybody's off except the service department. Well, now half of the service department. So we're gonna see what happens. That's for the cooler, the freezer, one of those two, whatever. Cleaned those out yesterday. Also, guys, just a quick update on the stickers that I've made. I just made a 4-inch Ghostbusters R22 theme sticker. A lot of you guys have been asking about it. Unfortunately, I only made 50 of them, and the new ones that I made, they're holographic. I think that's the name of them. So they kind of have that more of a Ghostbuster look. So I only made about 50 of them, and it was about 120, like 120 bucks for 50 of them. So I couldn't make more because, I mean, they're way too expensive. So whoever follows me on Patreon, the ones that are currently following me, I'm gonna go ahead and send you guys all the stickers that I have. And whatever I have left, I'm gonna go ahead and try to sell them. Whoever wants them, it's gonna be first come, first serve. And just, you know, send me an email with your whatever, or an Instagram DM, and see if I have any leftovers. And if I don't have any leftovers, then, you know, it's what it is. Because I can't afford keep buying those, and, you know what I mean, especially now that I'm not going to be working, because they're pretty pricey. So patrons, the people that follow me on Patreon, they're going to be getting it for sure. And then whatever's left, we'll go ahead and try to sell. Let's go. Da, da. Since we lost the damn box. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, we got the box now. Ready?
Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Damn. I can't believe we lost that damn box, guys. It probably flew over. Probably hit a semi, probably hit a truck. Or probably a damn Hillary Clinton supporter. Just joking, just joking. Alright, let's go. Check out my Tesla, guys. Oh, that one came off. I found this Teslas at my mom's house. They still work. I bought these like in 2012, 2011 or so, when I was barely starting school. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just buy the little piece right here. But yeah, I mean, they still work. It's all good. Let me see. Oh, shut off. Probably batteries are dead again. But yeah, I remember when I first bought those gauges. Honestly, I don't even know why I bought them, because I was fresh out of school and my ass didn't really know what the fuck I was looking at. But found them again. I'm gonna start reusing them. I'm gonna order a little piece, add them onto the collection. I mean, this thing lasted me for a whole week.
Did it?
Yeah, for a whole week.
Really? You just fill it up with water at the shop?
Yeah. But what I do, I grab just a jug of water and just pour it in. Yeah. That won't take anything off. Doing the last of the hours that we're doing. Here we go. Miguel with a nice fade. Somehow he got a haircut even though there's a currency going on. Damn.
Get you caught up on refrigeration stuff.
Damn. Miguel's ready for refrigeration.
I'm gonna record it.
Hey. This is gonna be the last video in the shop in about 2 months.
Oh no, it probably fell out of my pen. Okay, bye. What?
So what's your thoughts, Rolas? I'm about to leave. This is gonna be the last time. I just did my paperwork. It's all done.
That's not paperwork.
Oh yeah, that's right. So I just want to show you guys. Look at all the equipment that is being postponed. All that equipment right there. It's crazy. So today's gonna be the last day you guys see the shop in a while. Let's go home. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, I'm currently on call, so I'm gonna be on call till Sunday. So if I get any service calls, I'm gonna try and record them, but if not, then it's gonna be a while for me to record any service calls. Probably a couple weeks till all this thing goes back to normal. If you guys want any stickers, I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm gonna be able to sell them. For people that are getting them are my Patreon. The people that are supporting them on Patreon, those are gonna be the people that get it the first, and then whatever is left, I'm gonna go ahead and sell. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go out quick because I'll probably get at least 5 emails or DMs a day asking about those stickers. So like I said, first come, first serve. But yeah, man, I mean, hopefully everybody's doing good. If you got any service call this weekend, I'm gonna go ahead and record it. If not, I still need to make my van tour and some other things out of the van that I've been wanting to show you guys. What else? But other than that, guys, we get something going. So later.